Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. I know it's been a while, y'all. I don't even really have an excuse, to be honest, except I just took a break. Yeah, I just took a break and I really missed y'all though, and I'm back with a review that I was supposed to give y'all a super duper long time ago, but we're gonna make this really quick because it's a tiny bag. So this is the Blackwood mini Kendrick trunk, and you can see it's in this checkered purple and white color. It does come with a strap, which we're most likely not going to use, but it is adjustable and super cute and all of that good stuff. But I'll drop that there for now. But like I said, y'all know I love a good top handle mini type moment. So this is super, it's a mini trunk. It is not going to fit your phone at all. So please don't even try. It's not gonna fit your phone unless you have the mini or something like that, which I don't. But it does have 4 gold feet on the bottom, which we love feet. It has the trunk opening right here. So we're just going to open that up. And I already kind of have items in there to show you what fits. So this bag is just for vibes, okay? We have a mirror, we have a little hand sanitizer, and we have our trusty Louis Vuitton key case, because to be honest, that's all you need. That's all you're gonna need. So closer look at the inside, you see it has this right here. But yeah, not too much going on. It does say Blackwood at the back. I can't really show you because it's a trunk and it only opens so far. But like I said, these items right here pretty much are going to easily fit in there. And like I mentioned, this bag is just for vibes because it's not going to hold much at all. But it is super duper cute. And in case you were looking for a Black owned brand to support, I highly recommend Blackwood. He just did a trunk week. I don't think he's gonna have any more trunks available for the rest of the year, but next time he does, y'all gotta follow people on Instagram and everything so y'all know when the drops are. But yeah, I actually did a poll on my Instagram asking y'all which bag I should get, whether it would be this one or the black and white checkered one. And to be honest, black and white checkered won. But I don't know why, because y'all know me. Y'all are supposed to have my best interests at heart. And y'all know that I didn't need another black and white bag. So we got the purple and white because this fits better in my collection, y'all. It really does. So when I ask y'all about these polls, y'all got to think about my collection, and what we have going on. So like I said, I value y'all's opinion. I really do. But y'all missed on this one because y'all voted for black and white, and I had to add the purple and white to my collection because it's super cute. Look at this gold detail of the Blackwood on the front. How gorgeous is this? This is just a close-up of it for y'all so y'all can see. If you have the opportunity to get it, definitely do. I'll try to link it down below because I actually got mine from Saks. I pre-ordered from Saks, so I've had this for about 2 months now. I'll try to insert pictures from Instagram, but if you're not following me over on Instagram, go ahead and do that because that's where I'm going to be posting all of my styling pictures. And also make sure you're following over on TikTok because I've been posting on there lately, kind of having fun on TikTok. So, if y'all want to send me some TikToks, feel free to do that as well. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for staying subscribed even when I disappear. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.